If you're looking for a seamless way to do keyword research or product research for your store on Etsy, Sales Samurai is the right software for you. It has a lot of incredible features that allow you to analyze your competitor's page, figure out keywords that may work for your products, explore new niches you want to try, and gain a lot of traffic on your store and products. Sales Samurai is very affordable, considering that it offers tons of features that make product researching extremely easy. Okay, so if we even stay on their page and come to their main pricing, first of all, you have their monthly plan. It's $9.99, okay, and the plan includes long tail keywords, listing data, real Etsy search volume, tag suggestions, shop analytics, and a 3-day free trial to test the product out. Then finally, you have the yearly plan, which is $19.99, okay, mainly $100. Again, this plan includes long tail keywords, listing data, real Etsy search volume, tag suggestions, shop analytics, and 3-day free trial. So basically, it's the same thing as this, but this is monthly and this is yearly, okay? So you save a bit on the yearly plan, okay? Now, once we've actually discussed that, let's go ahead and talk about the basic keyword search. So to do a basic search for yourself, what we're gonna do is once we're like done signing up and everything, we're gonna come to the main Sales Samurai page over here. Now we're gonna go over to the search icon on the left hand side, and once you go here, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna click on basic search. Don't go on single listing, go on basic search, and we're gonna do some searching over here. So look for products you already sell or product ideas to try out. Okay, so in this case, we're gonna go with Notion template. Okay, this is the product that we're gonna go with, and we are gonna click on search. Now Notion is an amazing business software, okay, and what you can do is edit stuff into it, and it's pretty difficult to make templates out of it, but there are amazing templates being sold on Etsy that people have pre-made for you. Okay, they're non-copyright and they're absolutely out of this world. So trust me, these Notion templates are going to be amazing for you, and that is why I'm searching these up for you. So when it comes up and after selecting a keyword phrase to search for, there are 3 important categories to examine. Okay, the long tail that you can see over here, the search volume, the Etsy SV, which is the search volume, and the competition. Okay, these are the 3 main things. So first, basically, you need to check if it's a long tail keyword. Okay, it should have a green check right next to the keyword phrase over here. Okay, now if it's a long tail, this means that your keyword phrase is aimed specifically for one product. Now, if it does not have a check, that means it's not specifically aimed for one product. Secondly, you're going to consider the search volume on Etsy. The better results are achieved, okay, with more searches. It simply means that many people search for products on Etsy using the specific keyword that you typed in on. Okay, so as you can see, the search volume is checked and it's like quite a lot, 24,636. That means that a lot of people use this specific keyword to search on Etsy. And the third one that I stated was competition, right? So competition is basically having a keyword with a comparatively high Etsy search volume and low competition. That should be your goal when doing keyword research or your niche research. Now, when we've talked about that, let's actually go ahead into competitors' data. Okay, so we can be using our competitors' data completely ethically. There's no, laws being broken over here, and we can use it completely ethically, and we can use it for our own advantage. Now, right below these 3 categories, what's going to happen is we can see the different things like average views. Okay, so down here you can see average views, you can see likes and photos for the keyword phrase that you looked up, in our case, Notion template. Now there will be a lot of lists, okay, and in those lists there are going to be popular items for that keyword phrase under that section. You can view important details about that listing, including price, shipping dates, photos, views, and likes. So first of all, you get the most trending keywords, and you see the average views, average likes, average photos. Then you can see actual listings related to that. Now, to find out more information about a popular product, click the logo under details. So obviously, let's say I want to go ahead with this. I'm going to click the logo under details in this case. And once you do that, when you click through the details of the top ranking list for the keyword phrase you've searched for, you will be taken to a page as this, which is much more detailed and contains useful information for this product listing. You will have access to details about the title, including the number of characters and images in the title, price, category, and the date the listing was last modified. Okay, it's all going to be seen over here. And that's absolutely incredible that it gives you all that data and all that details by just clicking on one button. Then what's going to happen is you're also going to get the list of tags that were used for the product listing. Okay, you can find them just below the data over here. The keyword phrases with the highest to moderate search volume and click-through rate are your best bets over here. Okay, now once we've discussed about all of this, really fun stuff, really good details. But once we've gone through that, we can also go ahead and keep tabs on the stores that you're keeping an eye on. So to actually go ahead and track top ranked stores in the niche that you want to be in, you're going to hover over the competition tracker tab. And you're wondering, where can that be seen? The competition tracker tab is over here on the left hand side, and you're going to click on it. And once you do that, up here you're simply gonna basically enter the name of the store in the search bar and select add shop to actually add the store to the tracker. So you can go to Etsy and find any fun Etsy store that you want to add. So in our case, let's head over to etsy.com and let's search for a store regarding our niche. So let's go with this person over here. Okay, this person sells t-shirts, so let me add this person's store. So Great Life Tees. Now I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna write down their name, Great Life Tees. Okay, we're gonna add that, and I'm gonna click on add shop. Now what they will do is they will search the store on Etsy, and as you can see, they added it immediately. So once it's added, you can basically keep tabs on the store that you want to track. Now, you can track the data from the store each time you visit the competition tracker tab. You can also view the number of likes, total sales, and if the store is still operating. Okay, so we can see that it was created 9 years ago. The likes are 4,941. It has 104 listings, and it has over 45,000 sales. So you can actually go ahead and see all the stuff regarding the store over here, and this is completely ethical. You're not stealing any information off of them, you're not scamming them. It's normal, it's very normal. And when you select this person's details, you're gonna get a graph detailing the shop's past sales. Okay, it's gonna all appear over here, and you can see what dates their sales were the highest. So in our case, it's over here, and on September 15th, they got this many likes, this many sales. So you can see a whole graph, you can see the whole demographic of their store and how things for them actually work. Now, you can also find additional keywords that actually relate to your product. You can research and use the list of related keywords under suggestions to find ones that are relevant to your products. So if we switch to the keyword section, you can actually add keywords if you want to, and add a whole different, conundrum into this. But obviously we're not going to mess around with that too much. I'm going to go back to search, and I'm going to show you the different suggested keywords that you can get. So these obviously are the most trending keywords that you get suggested. You can get tags as well, and you can see different types of analytics over here related to our keyword. And basically, additionally, you can also view the Google competition, click-through rate, and Etsy search volume over here. So this is search volume, this is your click-through rate, this is your click-through rate, this is the search volume, Etsy competition, and a whole lot more. So really fun stuff to work with, and really great stuff to actually have in your arsenal or in your features. Now also, we're going to be talking about how you're going to use Sales Samurai in a very limited way. So I'm going to talk about how you're going to add Sales Samurai to your Chrome extension. So what you're going to do is you're going to simply select Chrome extension in the top right section, and what it's going to do is it's going to redirect you to this place over here. Now, once you're in this place, you're going to click add to Chrome, or in my case, add to Opera, and you're done. Now you can simply search for products on Etsy and actually see all of their main data. So to do this, first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to go to operating Sales Samurai while on Etsy. We're going to be doing that. So you're going to come over to Etsy as you are over here. And once you're over to Etsy, what's going to happen is you're going to enter a product's keyword phrase that applies to your niche. So we're going to come up here. Let's say I'm going to search up for, shirts. Let's search up shirts as so. And you see tons of things. Now, the amount of search volume is indicated by the blue numbers next to the search results, basically over here. This is your search volume. So 7,666, all in blue. This is, let's say 104,640. So, this is basically your search volume. Now on the far side of the results will also be a number. You're going to click on this number. So I'm going to go with this, the most, search volumes, and I'm going to click on this, 500 more. Now what this will do is it will take you to a new page where you can see related keywords as well as information about each keyword's search volume and level of competition. You will notice that the majority of the keywords are highly competitive. In order to find keyword phrases with a high search volume and little competition, you should filter the results. So basically, enter over here in search volume, enter at least 1,000 in this field, okay? At least 1,000. And then under competition, at least enter 1,500, okay? So by doing this, the search volume and competition are guaranteed to be similar and not too far apart. So, that basically just helps you with scouring through the whole keyword search and the whole product search, basically. So to get a new set of keyword phrases, what you're going to do is you're going to select filter, and what that will do is, as you can see, it will load you all these new keywords. Now you can copy keyword phrases that apply to your actual niche, okay? And this technique is also very effective if you're trying out new niches or subcategories under your niche. So example, you can, if you write Notion templates up here, your subcategory could be habit tracker Notion templates. So, those are subcategories and they help you out a lot. They're really useful, they're really helpful, and I would always recommend you to go with those. Now, finally, we're going to be talking about all the benefits of using Sales Samurai to improve our products on Etsy. So basically, what we did in this video was we began with coming to the Sales Samurai. We talked about the pricings and plans. Obviously, you can go to this as well by using the link in the description below. Once you're there and you have an account, you're going to come here. You can use the search logo over here and use a basic search format to search for different keywords that are present on Etsy. And obviously from there on out, you can see the most trendings, you can see different types of listings, and you can see a whole lot of other fun stuff as well. So overall, Sales Samurai is an amazing software. It's an amazing product to use, and it's absolutely out of this world. So I would definitely suggest all the users to use it because it's absolutely time saving. It tells you all of the features it has, and all those features work phenomenally. So yeah, those are all the great things about using Sales Samurai as a product researching tool. And if you want to give Sales Samurai a try, you can click the link in the description below, and that will get you a free trial. You can use the code CREATOR20 to get a 20% discount. And yeah, that's basically how we're going to work with all of this. So that's about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed it, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel because that surely helps me out a lot. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. But yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you wonderful people next time. Goodbye.